Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Oh yeah, baby.
No. That's not very polite. Okay. Hello. Hello, Ryan.
Hello.
Okay,
Today
sit down,
I'm by
please.
myself. Whoa.
Okay, so today I'm going to talk about a little bit about the list in Python and there's a few useful Python functions to control to manipulate the list. Okay? Yeah. So list in Python. Can you sit down, please? So remind me, what is the list? List is the
They're like numbers.
arrays, array, just a list, contains a few number elements, So for example, like if n equals the 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, this is the list, right? Yes? Okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, fourth,
Okay.
second, last,
Yeah.
the
So,
third.
so if we want to know how many elements in the list, do you know how to get it?
No.
We can use this function called len. Okay, len n. So this will give me
Length n.
how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want to know the maximum, and I can use this max, and that will give me maximum.
The maximum of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The maximum of all these numbers.
Is 5.
Yes, and again, can you guess what's this mean? And what it will give me
5.
minimum.
Min. Is the I know what I mean 1.
Yeah, well done. And how about this? SUM?
Sum of all of them is 15.
1, 2, 3. Wow, that's quick. 4, 9, 11, 15. Yes. Okay, and this is the basic, And how about if I want to know the average?
Yeah.
Average. Do you remember what's the average?
No.
The sum divided by number. Please. The sum divided by number, okay? So that will become, you can just do this sum and divided by len n, right? That will give me 5 numbers. That will give me 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright? If you want to be YouTube, you need to behave. Otherwise, I'm not uploading to be YouTube. Do you understand? Yeah? Okay, so these are built-in functions for Python. Do you get it?
Yeah.
So it means that we don't need to implement it. If you want to implement, for example, this min, how do we implement? Yeah? If you want to implement this, we can just do this. Define, min, and,
Element.
then we pick the first number, okay? So which is the answer? Answer is n0, This is bracket means the first number.
Yeah.
And then what we need to do for looping in all the elements in the list, then check if the answer current minimum, if the current minimum is smaller than the element in the list, then we replace the current element equals if the current element is smaller than the current minimum, then we replace it. Replace it with the current minimum. Got it? Yes, am I right? And then return the answer.
Yeah.
Yes. If the current element, if we find an element which is smaller than the current minimum, then we replace it. But the good thing is we don't need to implement it because it's already built in this function. We can just use it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you know that if we want to get the first element, we use this n0, right? How about the second element? How do we get it? N1, right? Yes? This is the first element is n0. Second element is
B2.
the next n2 is the third element, right? It's always start with 0. So how about, can you make a guess? N minus 1. What it does?
N minus 1.
What can you guess? Can you just guess? N minus 1. What does it mean? From this direction, it will be the last element, right? And how about n minus 2?
It will be 3.
No, you'll be least. Second to the last. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3.
Is it 1?
Sorry, which one?
The answer 1 and minus 2.
N minus 2 is, n minus 1 is 4, n minus 2 is 2. You see?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? How about this? N 2 4 column 4. Do you get it?
Yeah.
2 0 1 2, right?
Yeah.
This is 2, yeah? And where's 4 position? Look, where's 4? 3 4, yeah? This is 4. But this returns 5 and 2 up to 4, okay? Not including 4. Do you get it? This is from, and this is 2. Yeah, from 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so get it? So this is the important list. And how about we want to add one element to it? At the end, we want to add a 7 to it. So n dot append. You know this word append?
No.
Append 7.
Dependent.
Yeah. Append, and you put a 7 here.
Yeah.
You can also write it this way: n plus equal what? Bracket and 7. Yeah. So this is basically to append another list. Append another list 7 into the n, right? Yeah. And want to remove this bit. Remove the first element. Remember? N dot pop 0, right?
Yeah.
This will give me 1. How about n dot pop? Pop. This is to remove the last element. Okay?
Yeah.
So that will give me 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, yeah, this is pretty much it. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodbye to the people.
Ring.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Goodbye, baby.